it's Teresa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a little 6x6 mini album that I recently made following a video tutorial from Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. It's a series that she's doing on Friday evenings. It's called 1 Hour to Craft. This is from episode 2. This is a 6x6 Trifold Mini Album, and it does have a chipboard cover, so it's nice and sturdy. There's the spine. Let me see. Let me measure that for you. It's a 2-inch spine. And this is the back. So let's get into it here. What I used is the Bo Bunny Genevieve paper collection. This project was perfect to use a 6x6 paper pad. There was no cutting down. It was just the perfect size. And lots of pretty prints in this collection. This is not the one that Rosa used, but it's one that I had in my collection of 6x6 pads of paper. And it was nice and springtime looking, so that's what I chose. I also used this frame right here is a chipboard piece that I got from Kingston Crafts. So that came in nice and handy, and I just embellished it with some of these lovely, they look like Jewel Dazzle stickers, is what I usually use from hot off the press, but this is from Starform, and they're Starform glitter stickers in silver/gold. And they're really, really pretty, and they come in different sizes on the sheet. I thought that it added just the right touch of bling. And in the corners, I use my bling from Craft Factory Creations. I've shown this in videos before. I use this lovely blue, deep kind of blue color, and yeah, again, no matter how many times I use this, this still looks full, so it was a great investment. And also on the cover, I used a chipboard sticker, and that came from the Bo Bunny chipboard stickers that are meant to go with the Genevieve collection. I just used this one sticker right here, and that just gave it, some nice dimension too, being that it's chipboard. So I also used this gold foil cardstock from Recollections just to give it a little bit of shine. And this was a sticker from my stash. I believed it was from a Thickers sticker collection. Just says love in gold. I just thought it was sweet. And so that's all I did to the cover. I kept it very simple because I wanted it to fold flat. I wanted to keep it kind of flat so it would lay flat when it's open. So there is a magnetic closure. I'm going to open it up. It opens up like this. Now the inside is very simple. There are a lot of twin pages going on. So this is just open so that you can put, photo on there. I did put gold foil cardstock in all of my gusset areas, and so this is the inside cover and the first page, which is also magnetic and opens up like that. So room for photo here and here, and then all of these are pocket pages. So I did make a little insert and rounded the corners on the bottom of the insert so that it was easy to slide in and out of that little pocket. But it sticks up a little bit at the top, and I thought that gave it kind of a nice accent. And then when you open it up here, that's when you get into those twin pages. These, again, magnetic closures, open up like that, and you've got room for photos in all of these sections. You'd easily get 4x6 photos in here, which is, your standard size. So that's a really nice and useful album. It's not a big album, but it's very useful. Next page, just the same, different papers. And you've got, you know, inserts on both of these sections as well. And these pockets are large enough that you could put more than one insert in each. I chose just to put one in this particular album. And then this opens like that on this last page. Then you've got this center section, because this is a trifold, and it's just a big open space. You could put a pocket here and put tags in there or other more pictures, memorabilia, whatever you want to do. I just left mine plain. And then this is the back inside cover. And it all just folds like that. And you fold this side in, and then that, and it magnetizes, and that is it. I thought it was really super sweet. I'm having a ton of fun with this 1 hour to craft series. I mean, sometimes we just want a short, you know, in duration project. I do cards here and there when I'm, you know, kind of feeling like I don't want to get into a multi-day project. This 1 hour to craft series has been really nice for me because it's been all albums so far. Albums and folios. I've made each and every one. I'll be posting videos of all of them. This is the first I'm bringing to you of the series. I know it's episode 2, so I'm going a little out of order, but I just thought this was a fun one to share at this time, and I'll be getting the rest out to you shortly as I get these videos filmed. So if you did like this video, please remember to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post future videos. I create on a daily basis. I need to get better at filming on a daily basis so that I can share all these projects with you because I know it gives me a lot of inspiration when others share their projects. And that's what I want to do. I would like to, my whole goal is to inspire you to be creative. So until we meet again, have a wonderful day. Bye.